Hi everyone and welcome to Salsa King. My name's Andy and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new salsa recipes all the time. So today we're going to be making a salsa verde or a green salsa, and there's lots of different ways to make them, but the most common uses these green tomatoes or tomatillos as they're usually called in the supermarket. And when you buy them in the supermarket, they come in a kind of a brownish green filmy skin around them. So the first thing you have to do is you have to peel off the skin, and then you also give them a good rinse under warm water because they have kind of a sticky, sappy substance on them as well. But once you clean them, then they look like this. They're just smaller green tomatoes, and they taste a little different as well. So in this recipe, I'm going to be using 5 tomatillos, 3 chilies serranos, 1 jalapeno pepper. So you can adjust that however you like, but that's how I like to use. Got a garlic clove, a little slice of onion, about an eighth of an onion, a half teaspoon of salt, and then I got 1 lime here that I'm going to juice, and then I've got about a fourth cup of chopped cilantro. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to throw the chilies and the tomatillos into this pot of water, and then I'm going to bring the water to a boil over high heat. As soon as it starts to boil, I'm going to lower it to medium and let it boil for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to throw it all in the blender, and we should be ready to go. So let's start cooking this. So it's been boiling for about 5 minutes. Um, So yeah, I just heated it on high. As soon as it started to boil, lower it down to medium, and then just let it boil away. So nothing difficult about that. You can tell that they're done because the chilies, not the chilies, the tomatillos change color. They kind of go from a bright green to this lime or olive green, as you can see. So that means they're ready to go. So I just gotta put them here in the blender, just throw it all in there. The chilies are also ready. They don't really matter as much as the tomatillos. They'll be ready when the tomatillos are. Also, I've already pulled the stems off of these chilies, so make sure you pull the stems off. I pulled them off before I put them in the water. All right, so I gotta add the remaining ingredients. So I've got onion, garlic, I've got the salt. It's a half teaspoon. And I'm going to squeeze in my lime. And squeeze in the other half. All right. So I'm going to add the cilantro at the end, but for now I'm going to go ahead and blend this up using the pulse function. And I'm going to try to avoid adding water if I can. So here we go. All right, so that looks pretty good. I don't see any large chunks of tomatillos or vegetables, so I'm just going to pour it in this bowl here. Yep, it's looking pretty smooth. So the last thing I gotta do is just add in the fourth cup of chopped cilantro. And stir that up. Just get the cilantro fully incorporated here. And then I'm gonna test it for salt as well. Make sure it doesn't need any more salt. All right, tastes great. Doesn't need any more salt, so this is ready to go. It's not usually used on chips, but you can use it for enchiladas, chilaquiles, tacos. It goes great on eggs. So there you go, Salsa Verde. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more salsa recipes, and thanks for watching.